character 3. There have a one character. This in Mamis told me this like there have I want to see the
Yes, sir.
first I want
Aye,
the story and I want to see the characters that like that told me in there in 4 paragraphs there's only saying about his there have a one man they born in they born in
Poorhouse.
1830.
Yeah, in a kind of an orphanage or a poorhouse. It's a government. Uh,
Yes.
got it. Yeah. After that,
Hmm. After that, their mother is dead. When he born, no, that time their mother is dead.
mhm, yeah.
That time they saying, I know that my mother is dead means I will cry more than more. They
Okay.
saying after that they going they
Okay.
they are also having one Mr. Bomb character.
Hmm.
Huh? The artist character number 5. The name is they also become thinking
He actually gave the name of the child Oliver Twist, right?
yeah
But tell me about Mr.
they
Bumble.
gave them
And what was Mr. Bumble
I,
like? Mr. Bumble was the authority figure of that whole town, I guess. So, what was him like? What was he like?
that child no children they ninth birthday found it.
Hmm. Hmm. Okay. So on his ninth birthday, thank you so much, Shahid, for explaining and for summarizing what has been done till date. So yeah. So this story is about one person or a one child or one boy named Oliver. So from the start of the story, you can see the scenarios or the backdrop of the story is said that it was a winter night, and this boy was born in a poor house of a little country on a black
Sir, you
cold
can
night.
say one time
What? What do you want me to do?
that pyara, first pyara.
First para. Yeah. I'm just giving you a brief summary of whatever is done. And okay. So this story is about one child named or one boy named Oliver Twist and his adventures or how he actually grew up. So this is a whole novel actually, and this story is a smart part of it which we're going to learn or which we're going to read today, right? And already ma'am has taught you till para 4. So just giving a brief summary of what has been done till date or what has been explained to you already. So Oliver Twist was a boy who was born in a little poor house in England. Actually, it was the British England, actually the Victorian time of England. It was 1837 at that point of time, and he was born in a dark, cold night. It was attended by a doctor. So at the time of birth, there was a doctor who was present there, and there was a old poor lady who was also assisting the doctor. ठीक है. um the mother who gave birth to the child died because of weakness, because it seemed like he or like she actually had to travel a long distance by walking. But what was quite unusual was that the mother was quite good looking at that point of time, or she was a good looking woman, and she was lying in the street at that point of time. So but where she was going or where she was from was not known to anyone. They just found her lying on the road at that day, and then she gave birth to that child, and then she died. ठीक है? So obviously the baby cried loudly, as you know, जब भी किसी का जन्म होता है, the baby cries out loud, right? You can see the crying sounds. But since his mother died, he was orphan. of that poor house. And
Orphan means अनाथ बच्चा, no?
हाँ जी, अनाथ बच्चा. So अभी स्टोरी में ऐसा बोल रहे हैं कि like and then his name was not given at that point of time. So उस जो town था, the town had a what was that, town beadle. So he is the religious authority figure of that town. ठीक है, वो religious like क्रिश्चियनिटी में भी ऐसे बहुत सारे पोस्ट होते हैं. बीडल एक पोस्ट है, जैसे हम लोगों का फादर क्रिश्चियनिटी में, यू हैव हर्ड अबाउट फादर, राइट? चर्च में फादर होता है. सिमिलरली देयर इज बिशप, ये सब चीजें होते हैं. सिमिलरली बीडल एक पोस्ट होता है. इन इंग्लैंड देयर इज अ पोस्ट. सो टाउन बीडल एक फिगर है, एक पोस्ट है क्रिश्चियनिटी में. सो ही वाज एक्चुअली द ऑथोरिटी फिगर ऑफ दैट टाउन and he looked after the town basically. And when this child was born, he was present there and he gave this name Oliver Twist to that child. ठीक है, because he could not think of any other name. उसको और दिमाग नहीं चल रहा था, उसने ये नाम दे दिया. And then he thought a good deal about himself and he was very, उसको लगता था कि वो बहुत महान है. ठीक है, but and then he had, and ये जो poor house था ये भी इनके अंडर था. ये जो ऑर्फेनेज जैसा था या जो गवर्नमेंट रन जो हाउस था जहाँ पे बहुत सारे बच्चे रहते थे, ये बम्बेल के अंदर रन करता था. ठीक है. ऑन ऑलिवर्स 9th बर्थडे वी कुड एक्चुअली सी कि यहाँ पे ऑलिवर का डिस्क्रिप्शन हम देख पा रहे हैं. लाइक ऑन हिज 9th बर्थडे he was pale thin child who hardly known a kind word or met with a kind look. Like abhi tak till 9th birthday he was not taught a right thing. Like he was very malnourished, he was not treated well, and his only friends were his other same बच्चे जो उसके साथ रहते थे. ठीक है. बट इसके बाद एक्चुअल स्टोरी स्टार्ट होता है कि एक ऐसा इंसिडेंट हुआ जिसके वजह से ऑलिवर ट्विस्ट बिकेम द डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ चाइल्ड अमंग द अदर चाइल्ड देयर और अदर चिल्ड्रन देयर. ठीक है. सो दिस क्या इंसिडेंट हुआ, दैट इज व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू सी टुडे और व्हाट आर वी गोइंग टू लर्न टुडे. एंड इट सीम्स टू मी लाइक you have done character description from this part कि अभी तक आप लोगों ने characters कैसे outline करना है वो सीखा है. So I will try to implement that as well. ठीक है. So अब इतना तक as also explained by ma'am, इतना तक सबको समझ में आया I hope. Even if to understand better I will ask you to actually send me on chat कि आप लोगों को अभी तक कितना समझ में आया out of 1 to 5, so that I can pace my teaching वैसे. ठीक है. Send me on chat कि 1 to 5 में इतना तक आपको कितना समझ में आया. It's okay Mehak, you are 3, Aisha is 5. ठीक है, no worries. I think Shahid is at 4. He already sent me बहुत पहले. What about others? I'm waiting for others. Chandru, Simran, Ashataj, Kulsum, Bhavani is at 4. Good. I hope I've been recording this. Alfia is at 3. No worries, Alfia. We'll move ahead. Man is at 5. Great, awesome. I'm waiting for more 10 seconds. Simran is at 3. Aisha is at 4. Great, awesome. More 5 seconds. Okay, thank you so much everyone for putting a response. So how are we going to do this? Maybe we can do these questions afterward. I will just explain thoda sa yahan pe, and following which we will try to do these questions ek bari mein. ठीक है. And thank you so much for putting all these responses. Chandra is at 5, Husna is at 5, Megha is 5. Great, thank you so much. So I want someone to volunteer to read from this para. Who wants to read? Please raise your hand.
Sir, can I?
Aisha, you want to read? Okay, go ahead.
Yes, sir.
I will ask you to stop.
Sir,
Simran,
Can I start, sir?
Aisha, you can go first. Simran, you can go next. ठीक है?
Okay, sir. Sir, fifth one, no.
Yeah, fifth one.
It happened one evening at supper time. The children were fed in a large stone hall with a big metal basin at one end. The master stood by the basin and served each child with a small bowl of watery gruel.
Gruel.
Boys generally have excellent appetites.
Appetite.
Oliver and appetite. Oliver and his companions were always hungry and never given enough to eat. That evening, one of the bigger boys stated quite clearly that unless
He.
Sir, your voice was not coming.
She dropped off. I thought it's my internet. Okay. Yeah, Aisha, go ahead.
a consequence was held. Oliver Twist has appointed to walk up to the master after supper and to ask for more.
Thank you so much, Aisha. Great, awesome.
You're most welcome, sir.
So abhi tak we learnt about what happened till date. Matlab abhi tak we understood the backdrop or the background of the whole incident which is going to happen. Abhi tak we know ki there's one child who was born suspiciously on a winter evening, after which his mother died, and there was no one. He was an orphan. He was put in a poor house where Bumble was appointed as his parent guardian. And uska naam Oliver Twist de diya gaya tha, and he was very pale till his 9th birthday. He was very pale. He was malnourished. He was not treated well, and he had no friends as such other than his other companions in the poor house. ठीक है, ये हमको पता है. बट अभी जो हम अभी देखने वाले हैं और या समझने वाले हैं स्टोरी में, दैट इज गोइंग टू बी द टर्निंग पॉइंट इन ऑलिवर ट्विस्ट के लाइफ स्टोरी में. कि ट्विस्ट है वो. ठीक है. सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू रीड लाइन बाय लाइन, एंड इन वाइल आई विल ट्राई टू एक्सप्लेन ऑल द वर्ड्स. सो अगर आपको कोई वर्ड समझ में ना आना है, so please ask me that on the chat. I will tell you the meaning of that, and please make a note of it. ठीक है, ताकि आपको याद रहे. So it happened one evening at supper time. So already you know supper मतलब क्या होता है. So England में हम लोग डिनर को सपर बोलते हैं. ठीक है. एंड लंच को वो लोग डिनर बोलते हैं. ठीक है. वहाँ पे उल्टा है सब कुछ. So in England or in like the Victorian period में, Victorian British period में, हम लोग मतलब उस टाइम पे वो लोग इसको क्या बोलते थे, हाँ, डिनर को सपर बोलते थे. मतलब रात के खाने को they used to tell supper. ठीक है. So the children were fed in a large stone hall with a big metal basin at one end. So जो बच्चे थे उनको एक बड़ा सा हॉल था which was made of stone with a big metal basin at the one end. So I don't know what was the purpose of the basin, but the purpose of the basin is there already. So एक metal basin था, एक large stone hall था, एक large hall था जो stone से बना हुआ था, which had a basin metal का एक तरफ, जहाँ पे ये मास्टर जो था वो खड़ा रहता था और हर एक बच्चे को सर्व करता था with a small bowl of watery gruel. ठीक है. So what is gruel? Do you know what is gruel? Gruel क्या होता है? If I could show you that gruel. So gruel basically एक सूप जैसा या एक watery mixture होता है of milk or water with something else. For example, oatmeal का भी gruel होता है, chicken का भी gruel होता है. ठीक है. So gruel is basically something mixed with something boiled in water or milk. ठीक है. and it was given to the small children. This was served to them um, 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 in a very small quantity, in a small bowl. Okay, so obviously you can understand if you could connect from the previous part of the story कि क्यों Oliver Twist was malnourished या क्यों Oliver Twist was very pale in appearance. So you can understand कि क्यों होता था वो, why he was pale, why he was very malnourished. ठीक है. So obviously the boys generally have excellent appetites. So appetite का मतलब होता है भूख. ठीक है. Appetite means भूख. So boys जो होते हैं उनके obviously ज्यादा भूख लगता है उनको. And I guess everyone should agree to that, all the boys.
Yes, sir.
So boys generally have excellent appetites and ये story में भी same चीज हुआ. Oliver and his companions were always hungry and never given enough to eat. So Oliver जो था और उसके दोस्त जो लोग जो थे, they were always hungry and they were not given enough to eat. मतलब ज्यादा तो खाना नहीं दे सकते क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट रन जगह है वो and obviously they had और बहुत सारे बच्चे थे, so that was the reason maybe ज्यादा खाना नहीं दे.
Sir, this is done, sir. I know
This is done.
this is done. I want to start sixth.
Yes, sir. This paragraph is done.
Sixth
No, sir,
paragraph,
in nine
sir.
words, then fill that 2-3 lines, sir.
Last 2-3 lines. Okay, just let me summarize this para. Okay.
Yes, sir, you can continue.
So that evening, one of the bigger boys stated quite clearly that unless he had extra bowl of gruel, he would most certainly eat the boy who slept next to him. So एक दिन क्या हुआ एक evening को कि एक बड़ा बच्चा जो साइज में बड़ा था मे बी, he stated quite clearly, उसने साफ साफ बोल दिया कि unless मुझे एक्स्ट्रा बोल नहीं मिलता आज, मैं अपने बाजू वाले जो लड़का है उसको मैं खा जाऊंगा. ठीक है. He had wild and hungry eye. मतलब उसका जो आँख था that was very that was showing hunger as well as it was very jungly type. Like he was wild. He had a very wild and hungry eye. So जो छोटे बच्चे थे या जो छोटे बच्चे थे वहां पे छोटे लड़के थे उन्होंने वो बिलीव कर लिया क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली आँख देख के उसको डर लग रहा था उन लोगों को. So a council was held, a meeting was held, and Oliver Twist was appointed to walk up to the master after the supper and to ask for more. So Oliver Twist was appointed as the person who would go to that master, जो इंसान होगा जो खाना सर्व कर रहा था, and he will ask to him to give him more gruel या more food. ठीक है. So next para I want Simran to read as promised. Simran, if you can come off mute and read. I promise Simran, so I have to do it. If Simran here, I think no. Then I guess Shahid can read. Shahid, if you want to read, you can. Go ahead.
Okay, sir. The gruel was surveyed out and was quickly swallowed. Swallowed. The boy whispered among themselves and forced Oliver to go.
Forced Oliver to go. Go ahead.
He advanced to the master, blow in hand, and said in a little frightened voice.
Yeah, go ahead.
Frightened voice. Please, sir, I want some more. The master was a fat.
The master was a fat, healthy man.
But he turned very pale at this. what he said, as if he could
Not.
not believe his
Yeah.
ears. Please, sir, I want to some more.
I want some more. Great. Thank you so much, Shahid. Awesome. So that day, Oliver Twist was appointed as the person who would go and ask for more. Don't draw. Chandru. I don't know who is this, but yeah.
Chandru.
Okay. So that day, Oliver Twist was appointed. Oliver Twist का appoint कर दिया था कि you will go and ask for more. ठीक है. So उस दिन की बात हो रहा है. So the gruel was served out and was quickly swallowed. So सबको gruel मिला and that was quickly swallowed by everyone, but obviously because everyone was hungry, everyone had an appetite. ठीक है. The boys whispered among themselves and forced Oliver to go. The boys whispered. Whispered मतलब खुसफुस करना. ठीक है. अपने आप में हल्के से बात करना. ठीक है. Which you all guys do all the time in class. ठीक है. So boys whispered among themselves and forced Oliver to go. So यहाँ से मुझे समझ में आ रहा है कि there was a little they forced Oliver to go. So when someone forces you, what is like वो मतलब basically इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब क्या है? Oliver जाना चाहता था या नहीं जाना चाहता था? When someone forces you to do something, इसका मतलब क्या है? You want to do that thing or you don't want to do that?
Yes.
You don't
They
want
ask, they're forcing them to do that.
Exactly. So इसका मतलब Oliver को नहीं करना था वो. But he was forced to do it because he was appointed or he was selected among the people. मतलब उन लोगों में से selected हुआ वो, but उसको फिर भी मन नहीं था ये करने का, but he was forced to do it. ठीक है?
Okay.
So he advanced to the master with a bowl in hand and said in a little frightened voice. So he advanced, वो आगे बढ़ा to the master, एक हाथ में बोल लेके और अपने frightened voice, frightened मतलब डरे हुए voice में. He was afraid, he was frightened, उसको डर था और उसके धीमे आवाज में, धीमे डरा हुआ आवाज में उसने बोला, प्लीज सर, आई वांट सम मोर. और अभी अगर आप ऑल एंड आई गेस यू गाइस नो अबाउट द इन्वर्टेड कॉमास. ये ऊपर में जब भी कॉमास होगा दैट मींस दैट इज अ डायलॉग. ठीक है. सो इसको नहीं पता है, दे मेक अ नोट ऑफ दिस कि जब भी इन्वर्टेड कॉमास होगा दैट इज अ डायलॉग. सो व्हेनेवर यू रीड अ डायलॉग ट्राई टू मेक इट मोर like try to make it more dramatic. ठीक है. मतलब it's good actually. So
Stylish.
हाँ. So please sir, I want some more. So उसने बोला कि प्लीज सर, मुझे और थोड़ा ज्यादा चाहिए, और थोड़ा चाहिए. The master was a fat, healthy man, but he turned very pale at this. So जो मास्टर था वो बहुत मोटा छोटा, बहुत हेल्दी मैन था, खाने पीने वाले घर का था. But he turned very pale at this. I'm going to stop here and I'm going to ask you, why do you think he turned pale? Pale मतलब उसका मुंह सूख गया. Why do you think उसका मुंह सूख गया?
They asking more food, no, that's why.
But why do you think
I
asking
think.
for more can do that to you? If I could like get answers from others also, कि आपको क्यों लगता है कि even though
No, nobody will be asked. There are so many members, no, children is there. Nobody will be asked. They only asking, no, that's why they're shocked.
he was shocked? Exactly. Thank you so much, Shahid, for that. So he was shocked. And why do you think? And okay, nobody did ask, and only one person asked to him. So from this, can I kind of conclude कि this was the first time that someone asked here? ये पहली बार था जब किसी ने ऐसा पूछा, किसी ने ऐसा हिम्मत दिखाया, right? So that is why they were very shocked. That is why he became pale at seeing this. He was very shocked. He was surprised. And उसका surprise कैसे पता चलता है मुझे? By seeing this thing. कि what? He said. As if he could not believe his ears. उसने बोला क्या? और ऐसे बोला कि उसको लग रहा था कि उसने ये कभी सुना ही नहीं, मतलब ऐसे उसको मतलब यकीन ही नहीं हुआ कि ऐसा किसी ने बोल दिया। फिर से एक और बार ऑलिवर ने बोला, सेम चीज बोला उसने कि प्लीज सर आई वांट सम मोर। उसने कुछ गलत नहीं बोला, उसने सिर्फ एक रिक्वेस्ट किया कि प्लीज सर आई वांट सम मोर। ठीक है, सो ओके। अभी ये पैरा में इज देयर एनी क्वेश्चन, इज देयर एनी डाउट्स, इज देयर एनी like if you have any questions you can just tell me or ask me.
No, sir.
You're good to go. Give me a thumbs up if you're good to go to the next para. Okay, Shahid says yes. What about others? Mehak says yes. Great. Aisha Khanum, Manan, thank you. Great. Okay. Next, I will ask Arfat to come off mute and read this 7 para for me. Arfat?
Sir, can I
I can
read?
read, sir.
Okay, Arfat is off mute. Mehak, you can read the 8th one. Okay? Arfat?
Okay, sir.
The master aimed a blow at his head,
Hmm.
seized
Seized.
him by his arms,
Hmm.
and shouted for Biable.
What the-
Mr. Bumble rushed into the room in great excitement and was filled with horror when he heard of Oliver's crime. Asked for more. He exclaimed, I never heard of such a thing. Depend on it. This miserable boy will be hung.
Great. Thank you so much, Arfat. Awesome. So इसके आफ्टर मत हो रहा है, मतलब अभी इंसिडेंट हो गया है, जो इंसिडेंट होना था दैट हैज ऑलरेडी हैपेंड. नाउ वी आर सीइंग कि इसके बाद क्या हुआ, इसके इफेक्ट्स क्या हुआ. ठीक है. सो द मास्टर एम्ड अ ब्लो एट हिज हेड, मतलब मास्टर ने एक चांटा मारने की कोशिश किया उसके सर पे, एंड शायद लगा भी, दैट इज नॉट. सो द मास्टर एम्ड अ ब्लो एट हिज हेड, seized him by his arm, उसने उसके हाथ पकड़ा, and shouted for Beadle. Now here comes the Mr. Bumble. So we know Beadle कौन है यहाँ पे. Mr. Bumble is the Beadle of the town, and therefore the master, क्योंकि Mr. Bumble is the highest authority figure who is taking care of this whole poor house, so the master asked, like called for him. ठीक है. So Mr. Bumble rushed into room in a great excitement and was filled with horror when he heard of Oliver's crying. So Mr. Bumble, मतलब obviously he came in rush, मतलब वो जल्दी आए into the room in great excitement, because obviously the master was shouting, and therefore there was great excitement from Mr. Bumble कि उनको लगा कि क्या हो गया, right? And when we heard this thing कि क्या हुआ है, he was filled with horror. And he said that, asked for more. He exclaimed, मतलब उसने exclaim किया, मतलब he was very shocked कि ऐसा कैसे हो गया. Asked for more, ज्यादा मांगा, कैसे हो गया. I never heard of such a thing. मतलब, and then he said कि ऐसा मैंने कभी सुना ही नहीं यहाँ पे. अभी इसके ऊपर डिपेंडिंग ऑन इट दिस मिजरेबल बॉय विल बी हंग, मतलब अभी तो इसको फांसी लग जाएगा. सो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड द सिवियरिटी ऑफ दैट वन लाइन, कि ये जो लाइन ऑलिवर ने बोला कि प्लीज सर आई वांट सम मोर, सिर्फ उसने एक बार रिक्वेस्ट किया, 2 बार रिक्वेस्ट किया. ठीक है. एंड यू कैन सी कि उसका इफेक्ट क्या क्या हो गया. सो मास्टर ने उसको पहले चाटा मारा सर पे, he actually hit that boy at the head. Then he seized him by his arms and he shouted for Beadle, right? He holded his hands and he shouted for Mr. Bumble. Mr. Bumble came in excitement, came rushly, came very fast, and he was filled with horror. and he was shocked. He said that what? He asked for more. ज़्यादा मांगा है उसने. And he again added that कि I've never heard this thing before. मतलब ये मैंने कभी नहीं सुना है, ऐसा हुआ है. And इसके basis पे अगर ये इसने ऐसा कहा है, then he should be hanged. मतलब उसको फांसी दे देना.
What hang mean?
हाँ?
What
Sorry.
is hang mean? Can I say, sir?
Yes, you can say.
Like he don't have majority.
Majority? What do you mean by majority?
Hang mean like he don't have majority to beat him, or
He don't have that authority to beat him. Why do you think so?
majority, sir.
Majority. What do you mean by majority? Like, can I explain thoda sa? I'm not getting. Hang मतलब फांसी देना. ठीक है. Now, based on this thing, do you think it was right to react in this way? जो इन लोगों ने react किया अभी, do you think was it right or was it wrong? I want responses from you guys. अभी तक you understood कि क्या क्या हुआ है. You know the background of the story. You know where Oliver was from. You know कि why did he ask for more? You know what happened after he asked for more. Now tell me, was it right? Sorry, my network got off. Okay, so as I was asking you guys, tell me, do you think was it right or was it wrong to react in this way?
Wrong.
Wrong, sir, wrong. Because no one has a right to hang someone or kill
Chandu,
someone.
don't laugh. Okay, no one has right,
Yes, sir.
but based on you like till date, we like abhi tak we know ki what was the background of the story. We know how Oliver was born, where he was born, what happened to him till his 9th birthday. Following which we know that ki why did he ask for more? कि उसने ज़्यादा मांगा. And then we saw that what happened when he asked for more. We saw the aftermath. We saw that what happened after he asked for more. So was it right or wrong? Based on all these evidences,
Wrong.
was it right or wrong to react in such a way?
Wrong.
Wrong? Okay. ठीक है. So how much wrong is it, if I ask you?
How much means, sir?
50%.
50%, okay.
100% also, sir. Because somebody asks for food, no, you want to give food.
Right.
They're saying whole story, no sir. You're saying the whole story.
I'm just asking अभी तक जो आपने इस स्टोरी में देखा है, पढ़ा है या समझा है, उसके बेसिस पे what do you think? Is it wrong or right?
70% wrong, sir.
Why 30% right, do you think?
Because in whole story they're saying in first their mother is dead. That also coming in medium only. No, after that that his 9th birthday is come. That like their position is coming down only. They're not going upper to upper. They're coming down only. He's a poor man. That like they're coming. That's why that is 70% wrong. Here that no one will be helping them. No one will be taking them out. They only going they dhakka marke they saying no in one position is come, one body is push them, they fall down in down. That like happen here, happening them.
Okay. So I am just asking कि ये जो react किया है बम्बिल ने और ये मास्टर ने, was it right or wrong? So you said me 70% was
Wrong.
70%
Wrong,
was wrong.
Wrong, sir.
It was wrong. ठीक है. Great. ठीक है. So अभी तक समझ में आया क्या क्या हुआ स्टोरी में?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes. Yes, sir.
connect this back to the thing कि what and why do you think कि, and as I told you पहले कि the reaction which the master also gave कि उसने बोला क्या as he could not believe in his ears. उसने यकीन ही नहीं हो रहा था क्योंकि obviously ये पहली बार हुआ है, and that is very evident in this line. If you could see कि I have never heard of such a thing. ठीक है? So this is the way you can make connection. So you can take textual evidence from one part to another part. एक part को support करने के लिए you can take support of the next part. ठीक है? So for example, अगर आपको लगता है try to think in this way कि क्यों आपको लगता है कि ऐसा हुआ, क्यों आपको लगता है कि he could not believe in his ears, because this has never happened and this is evident here. ठीक है? So this is how you could actually make connections. ठीक है? So moving to the final paragraph, here we could like here हम देखेंगे कि क्या punishment उसको दे दिया था या ultimately क्या किया उसके साथ story में. ठीक है? महक, are you there? You could read for us. Manan, I can hear you. Mahak, Machagi, you can come off mute and read the story.
Okay, sir. As a punishment for his greed and boldness, Oliver was immediately locked in a room to spend the night alone. Early next morning, a notice was passed on the outside of the gate, offering a reward of £5 to any man or woman who would take Oliver Twist off the hands of the poor.
Thank you so much. Awesome. So as a punishment for his greed and boldness, so as a punishment for all his greediness and the boldness which he showed, so uske, what is the greed of Hindi? Because he was very greedy and he was very bold. Matlab, he was so direct in asking or requesting that thing, or he was very, because he wanted so more. This was like he was given punishment. Oliver was immediately locked in a room to spend the night alone. He was locked in a room, okay, to spend the night alone. This was his punishment at that point of time. Early next morning, a notice was pasted on the outside of the gate, offering a reward of £5 to any man or woman who would take Oliver Twist off the hands of the poorhouse. So next morning, subah next morning ko, a notice was pasted on the outside of the gate of the poorhouse. Poorhouse के बाहर पे एक गेट था, वहां पे एक नोटिस पेस्ट कर दिया गया था, offering a reward of £5. एक रिवॉर्ड लिखा था जो ऑफ £5 जो जाएगा उस इंसान को जो ऑलिवर ट्विस्ट को अपने पास रखेगा and would reduce the burden from poorhouse. So it was a reward of £5 to any man or woman जो ऑलिवर ट्विस्ट को अपने पास रखेगा from the poorhouse. ठीक है? So is there something unusual here? Can you find something unusual here? यहाँ पे normally अगर किसी मतलब उस time पे it was very common to trade slaves. It was very common at that point of time.
Yes, sir.
If you had heard about slaves at that point of time, it was very common. वहाँ पे छोटे छोटे बच्चों को उस टाइम पे 1800s में there was they used to actually trade. वो लोग ऐसे बेचते थे बच्चों को for working and all those things. Child labor बहुत common था उस टाइम पे. So is there something unusual you can see here? आपको दिख रहा है यहाँ पे कुछ unusual चीज हो रहा है? I would unusual मतलब ये normally होता नहीं है ऐसा. Can you see something which is unusual here?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Tell me.
Sir, this story was stopped at end. No, sir, there is more, but they have not given.
अच्छा ending नहीं.
Sir, here is what this means. For his greed and boldness means.
Okay, what is greed and boldness? This is the perspective of the poor house वाले लोग का. Poor house वाले लोगों को लग रहा है कि वो बहुत greedy था और वो बहुत bold था. So I think it's common. मतलब ये जायज है. But there is something very unusual happened here.
Yeah, I can tell, sir.
Yes, Shahid, go ahead.
Sir, here see That the friends only they ask them, no, go and ask them to give me more food. So they saying they did not help them, sir. See here, they did not help him, friends.
Okay, okay. Friends. I wouldn't say they were actually friends because they kind of pushed Oliver to the trap basically. I wouldn't say they were friends. They were more companions, I would say. Yeah. Yes, Chandru.
Only 9%, sir.
Okay, okay. We will end this jaldi se. So I would recommend you to read this entire line and tell me what is something unusual you can see here. ये पूरा line आप अगर आप पढ़ोगे तो there is something very unusual here.
Yeah, they put a note ticket.
Notice, right? They put a notice outside. What was the notice saying? What was the notice saying?
One reward of 5
Who
points.
will buy that Oliver? They will give 5 points.
Like, are they buying Oliver? Or
No,
they are
sir.
taking
They are
Oliver?
offering.
They are
They're
just
selling.
exactly. They are just asking to like take Oliver and they will give them reward. तो आप फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आप दुकान में जाते हो और आप ऐसे फ्रूट के दुकान पे जाके आप देखते हो वहां पे एप्पल है और अगर दुकानदार ऐसा बोलता है कि ये एप्पल आप ले लो, इसके आपको इसके लिए पैसे नहीं देना होगा, उल्टा मैं आपको पैसे दूंगा, सो समथिंग इज रॉन्ग विद दैट एप्पल. इसका मतलब है
Yes.
तो गलत है उस एप्पल के साथ. सो सिमिलरली उस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में इफ यू सी यहाँ पे भी इसका मतलब क्या हो रहा है, ऑलिवर के साथ बहुत कुछ, मतलब ऑलिवर बहुत बुरा बच्चा है, इसका मतलब देयर इज समथिंग वेरी रॉन्ग विथ हिम. आप अगर आप बच्चे लोग you take that child with you and also we will reward you with 5 pounds, and that is something very unusual which happened. So this actually says that कि ये जो बच्चा है या whatever Oliver did was a it was a crime. He asking for more was a crime. ठीक है, it was very severe, मतलब बहुत ज्यादा. It was equivalent to murdering someone. Okay? So this line actually tells how severe was the asking or the request which Oliver made for asking more. ठीक है. So इसके बाद if you see इसके बाद actually there is no, मतलब उतने explain करके there is nothing. There's a small gist actually which which talks about कि क्या हुआ उसके बाद, but अच्छा नहीं, हाँ, so this is the end of the story, but I will just skim through the next part so that you know कि exactly क्या होता है उसके बाद. ठीक है. A coffin maker came to know about the notice and brought the orphan boy from the poorhouse. So a coffin maker जो coffin बनाता है, who came to know about this notice and then he bought the orphan boy from the poorhouse. तो Oliver को उसने poor house से लेके अपने पास रख दिया जब उसको ये नोटिस के बारे में पता चले कॉफिन मेकर को. ठीक है. There also he was treated cruelly. So Oliver वहां पे भी उसको cruelly treat करते थे वो लोग. ठीक है. So you can see the screen, Simran. Okay, just let me stop sharing and share. Okay. So वहां पे भी उसको अच्छे से treat कोई नहीं करता था. ठीक है. So he ran away to London. So वो भाग गया लंदन की तरफ. So he was living away from London. So he ran away from that coffin maker का घर and he went to London. There he had faced further difficulties. तो वहां पे भी उसने बहुत difficulties face किया, बहुत कठिनाई थी वहां पे. ठीक है. However, by chance he met 2 kind people. So ये difficulties के अंदर actually आता है he got into a gang. वहां पे he met one pocket pickpockets. He met few pickpockets. तो वहाँ पे उसको pickpocketing सिखाया उन लोगों ने. And so ये difficulties था actually. If you read the whole story, if you read the whole novel, that has already, that is great actually. That's मतलब you would understand कि क्या क्या difficulties उसने face किया. ठीक है. However, by chance he met two kind people, Mr. Brownlow और Miss Rose Mealy. ठीक है. तो बाई चांस उसने दो काइंड पीपल के साथ उसने मीट किया. एक था मिस्टर ब्राउनलो और एक था मिस रोज मेली. दे वर कपल्स. ठीक है. देयर दिस काइंड पीपल आल्सो डिस्कवर दैट ही वाज देयर ओन रिलेटिव एंड हैड टू बी प्रोटेक्टेड फ्रॉम हिज स्टेप ब्रदर. सो बाई चांस उनको ये समझ में आया और उनको ये उन्होंने ढूंढा कि बेसिकली ऑलिवर जो था वो ये मिस्टर ब्राउनलो और मिस रोज के साथ मिस रोज के रिलेटिव्स थे और ऑलिवर को उसके स्टेप ब्रदर मिस्टर मॉन्क्स के साथ मतलब मिस्टर मॉन्क्स के बेसिकली उससे प्रोटेक्ट करना होगा मिस्टर मॉन्क्स से उसके स्टेप ब्रदर के पास से. ठीक है. मिस्टर मॉन्क्स हैड प्लान टू टेक अवे ऑलिवर्स शेयर ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी. सो ऑलिवर हैड अ प्रॉपर्टी. उसके पापा जो थे बहुत बड़े आदमी थे एंड उसका विल था. उसके पापा ने एक विल बनाया था एंड ऑलिवर को वो मिलने वाला था. बट मिस्टर मॉन्क्स जो था उसका स्टेप ब्रदर जो था उसका सौतेला भाई जो था who had different plans of taking away ऑलिवर का पूरा प्रॉपर्टी. But with the help of Mr. Brownlow's help, Oliver got his rightful share of the property and lived happily. So इसके अंदर बहुत कुछ हुआ है. इस नोवेल के अंदर बहुत कुछ है. If you read this novel, you will understand कि कितने चीजों के बाद स्ट्रगल करके he lived happily. ठीक है. So this was the story. And one second. So this was the story. I know we could not do this question and answers, but I would ask you guys to actually, if you guys know about character outlines. ठीक है. So can you tell me quickly कि यहाँ पे कितने characters के साथ you came across? How many characters you came across in this story?
I think nah,
Yes, शायद.
7.
Eight,
Can you
sir.
name them? Can you name them? जल्दी से. कौन थे characters?
I can name, sir.
Yes, Arfat, go ahead.
Mr. Bumble, Oliver,
Yeah.
and Oliver's mother,
Okay.
Pauper Woman,
Home woman.
Doctor,
Doctor. Okay. Poor man, poor woman, and who else?
two people who adopt him.
And
One that's TGF something. No, you told them in last time.
Coffin
You
maker.
told-
coffin
Yeah,
maker,
coffin.
but coffin maker story में नहीं आता है actually. Till उसने reward दिया, that was the end of the story. ठीक है. जब तक वो reward publish हुआ, that was the end of the story. वहां तक कौन characters थे? So I could hear कि
7.
Oliver was one, Doctor was one, Oliver was one, Mr. Bumble was one, the doctor was there who played a small role. There was one poor woman who also was
And there was children also, sir.
other children were also there, the companions of Oliver. So total abhi 5 hua. There
Oliver's mother.
the master who was there, who was serving the food, who made the whole scene. That was one of the characters. So total abhi tak 6. Who else?
Oliver's mother, sir.
Oliver's mother. Yeah. So 7. So we don't know much about Oliver's mother. We don't know much about the doctor. We don't know much about the poor woman. But we know little bit about Mr. Bumble. We know little bit about Oliver Twist. We know little bit about his companions जो आप उसके आसपास थे कि उनके character कैसे थे. And also we know about the master who was serving the food or the gruel. ठीक है. So as a homework, what I want you to do is that write a character description of whatever you feel. Read this part, especially from this part, Actually from this, from 6 to 8, 6 to 7, basically, if you read this, write whatever you understand, whatever character traits you understand about this master person. ठीक है, जो master था उसके character कैसा था, you can get ideas from these 2 paras. ठीक है, so write a character outline for master from these 2 paras. ठीक है, and send it to me by 3 o'clock in the afternoon. ठीक है, is that clear? Give me a thumbs up if that is clear.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. I can see lots of thumbs up. Thank you. Thank you. If you have any problems, if you have any doubts, if you want any outline, if you want a structure way of how to write a character outline, you can ask me. I will send it to you. But I will expect that you write this. ठीक है? So reach out to me. आपको अगर चाहिए कुछ ऐसा structure की कैसे लिखूं सर character outline, I can help you out. But because since we don't have time अभी to explain this, but if you want to try on it your own, you can do it. There is no right and wrong way. So you can explore, you can go to Google, you can try searching. Otherwise, you can just write कि आपको क्या-क्या लगता है traits है.
How much I understand, I can write in my WhatsApp.
Yeah, totally, absolutely okay. ठीक है? So there is no right or wrong way. We just need your thoughts. That's it. ठीक है? आपका thoughts चाहिए मुझे सिर्फ देखना है आपको कितना समझ में आया एक character के बारे में.
Okay.
ठीक है? Because this will actually help us in understanding people in our real world कि आपने आसपास में लोग कैसे हैं उसमें भी हमको help करेगा ये. ठीक है? So thank you so much everyone. I'm going to stop sharing now. You have your homework. You have to send it to me by 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock actually. So send karo. I will see the papers and tomorrow we will start with the next part. Like we will discuss the questions and all that. ठीक है?